In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new assignment for a semester 1 class for a rolling gradebook. So first, I'll hover over Gradebook in the blue banner and click on New Assignment. Next, I will put in my assignment name, making sure that it has the standard listed in there. I'm going to select a due date so that students and families know when this is expected to be due. Click on assignment type and select that from one of our 4 HMS categories. And I'm going to adjust the max score box for the number of total points a student can earn. I will not be touching the points box. The points box is already pre-filled as 1. We are going to leave that no matter the assignment type. All assignments here should be worth 1 point. The max score box is the one that I'm adjusting based on the standards or number of questions that I have on the assignment itself. Next, I'll click on the Sections tab at the bottom here. Please check off whichever other sections that this should apply to. Then click over to the Grading Periods tab. And because this is a rolling gradebook, we need this assignment to count for the current and future quarters. So this is a semester class, so it will be checked off for first and second quarter. I'll do this for all assignments in the first quarter for my semester class. And when I'm done, I'll click Save.